bukas po ba kayo na in the future ay makipag-alyansa sa politika with former VP Robredo?
Ang sinasabi ko nga noon na I'm single and ready to mingle. But right now, hindi ako handa na sumama kahit kanino man because kailangan ko muna ipagtanggol ang Office of the Vice President.
Ma'am, still on this topic, mayroon pong ibang mga political analysts who are accusing you of using your visit to Naga as a diversionary tactic.
Unang-una, ang diversionary tactic, walk the dog nga sinabi ko noon na ginagawa is yung pag-atake sa akin. Nakita nyo, wala na tayong pinag-uusapan patungkol sa bansa, kundi si Sara Duterte. At hindi na natin napapag-usapan ang kahirapan, ang kagutuman, walang internet connectivity sa iba't ibang lugar, kuryente na mahal. Ang daming problema ng bansang ito. Pero hindi na pag-usapan dahil pinapag-usapan natin si Inday Sara Duterte. Pero ito lang yung gusto ko sabihin din sa mga tao. Hindi ba dahil kasi hindi alam ng mga tao or walang picture na lumalabas ay hindi ko ginagawa? Isa sa mga tasks na nilista para sa akin dito sa Office of the Vice President is to visit former Vice Presidents doon sa mga residences nila. Ang una kong nabisita, syempre, hindi alam ng mga tao kasi wala namang lumabas na picture, binisita ko si former Chafisto Gingona. And then, next was former Vice President Erap Estrada. Binisita ko din sa bahay niya. Anong purpose ng pagbibisita ko? Nagpapakilala ako sa kanila at sinasabihan namin sila as former vice presidents, we owe it to them na kung may kailangan sila, susuportahan namin sila. And we invite them to lend us memorabilia para sa Office of the Vice President Museum. And then ngayon, Vice President Robredo sa bahay niya. So dalawa na lang and I still have 4 years to go.
Can you confirm? More on personal conversation lang yung nangyari and not political.
Kung meron lang dapat magsalita, siguro dapat si Vice President Leon kasi bahay niya yon and siya yung binisita. So, napaka-assuming ko naman kung ako yung magkukwento. Ako na nga yung bisita, ako pa yung madaldal.
Ambassadors from other countries meeting with the office of the Vice President instead of the presidents lately? Looks like they trust Sara Duterte more than the one actually in charge. Can't blame them. Sara Duterte's become the Filipino superhero. Her office does more for the people than anyone else. She's the most active in helping out, even offering cash assistance for medical needs and more. Whatever the crisis, she's already ahead of the game. It might not make the news, but social media's got all the receipts. I'm telling you, younger generation, open your eyes and see who's really stepping up for the Filipino people. They're hiding it in the media, but Sara's out here doing a solid job as vice president, better than those before her. She's even the only vice president with satellite offices nationwide, making sure help reaches people faster. And now, those in power are doing everything they can to bring her down.